I know what you are thinking. Facebook marketing is dead. Well, actually, it is not dead, it is live and well if you know how to use it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I grow my Facebook fan pages and how I use them for affiliate marketing and to promote my own products. So obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to make a Facebook fan page. Now, second thing you need to do, you need to start making posts. Now, this is one of my Facebook fan pages, and here you can see I'm mostly publishing videos. But this time we are actually not publish videos, we are actually going to publish threads. Now, threads work really well. I already use threads on Twitter really successfully, and I'm getting really good results on Twitter. And actually Twitter recognized that, and they added threads here on Twitter. When you type something, here you will see this plus show up. And when you click here on this plus, here you can see you can make a thread now here on Twitter. Like I said, Twitter recognized that this is really good way to boost engagement on your page. So you can do exactly the same thing here on Facebook. So what you need to do, you need to make a post. Now, if you can write this thread by yourself, that is by far best option. But if you cannot, you can simply come here on ChatGPT and you can give it a prompt, something like this. Now, you don't have to use ChatGPT. You can use DeepSeek, you can use Google Gemini or some other AI. Now, here you can see I gave it a prompt, and this is really important. Here you can see create a Facebook thread about CPA marketing. Now, this is my main keyword. You can use affiliate marketing, you can use print on demand, workout, weight loss, travel, dog training, or whatever you want. And this is also really important, even more important. Here you can see first post must be short, on point, and have a strong hook. Now that is important because I wish to hook people, I wish to make them to read the rest of my thread. That is really important. So why are we actually making these threads? Because if you make a good thread, you will get a lots of engagement, and Facebook like engagement, and that means Facebook will push your post, you will get more reach, and you will get more fans and followers, and you will get more free traffic. So when I press enter, ChatGPT will make this thread for me. So just give it a few seconds. Okay, ChatGPT finished this, and here you can see, now this is not exactly what I want, it is too long. I need to make this hook to be even stronger. So I will simply go here and click here, and then click here, and then you need to choose one of these colors. I usually choose black because letters are white and that makes a good contrast. So I will say something like this: how to make 100 a day without selling a single product. No store, no clients. And here I will say no ads, okay? No ads. And then simply click here on next. Give it a few seconds, click here on post. And I made my first post. So what I need to do, I need to go back here and I need to copy the second post, okay? So I will copy this, okay? Control C, go back here, and then because Facebook doesn't really have a thread option like Twitter, you actually need to make a comment. You need to make a second post in this thread in comment. So I will click here and make a post, okay? And I will actually add number 2 here, number 2, and I will do something like this. So people should know that this is a second post. And then simply press enter. And I made a second post. And I need to go back here and I need to copy the third post here from this thread. Okay, go back here and I need to click here on reply. Okay, and again make a post, and so on until you post entire thread. Now, like I said, Facebook doesn't really have a thread option. So what will happen? People will see this post here and they will go in the comments to see the rest of that thread. But because this is actually a comment, so every time you get a new comment on this post, your comment, your original comment will go lower. Lower, so people will have to search for this comment to find the rest of this thread, and that will trigger Facebook algorithm. So Facebook will think that you are actually getting a lots of engagement. So Facebook will push your post, and you will get more reach, and you will get more followers, and you will get more fans, totally free, totally organically. So you don't have to pay for Facebook ads. This is really efficient way to grow your Facebook fan page. And you need to make at least one post, one thread every day on your Facebook fan page. And trust me guys, your Facebook fan page will start growing fast. If you have a good hook, opening hook, you have a good opening post, your Facebook fan page will start growing fast. And you can use that Facebook fan page to grow, and you can use that Facebook fan page to get free traffic to promote your affiliate products or to promote your own products. As you can see, really simple, really easy. Only thing you need to do, you just need to copy and paste. And you need to invest some time and some work, and that's it. You will start getting results. So this is how you make money with Facebook and affiliate marketing. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.